Hello and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by F W Martindale in 1877. You can see that black has the king, 3 pawns and the rook, but it's sort of penned in a bit. White has the king, the rook and the queen. It's white's turn, and can you see the checkmate in 2? If you move the queen to d5, black can move the rook. If you try to check the king with the rook, black can take the rook back. Try and take with the queen, but black can push the pawn forwards, preventing the checkmate in 2. If you move the rook to h4, black can just ignore it and not take it with the pawn. They can move their own rook. Then there's no checkmate in 2 here. Moving the queen to d8 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2 because black can just move the rook. You can't get your queen in the next move. You can't even get a mate in 3 because the king can escape. If you try to move the rook to f4, black can take it with the pawn. You can get a check with the king, but black can block with the rook to prevent the checkmate in 2. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. This one's fairly straightforward, but pause the video if you need more time. Checkmate in 2 for white, you just need to move the rook to g4. Black takes the rook with the pawn. You can then move the queen to h2 to checkmate in 2. If black pushes the h-pawn, you can then take it with the rook because the pawn on g5 is pinned by the queen. That's another checkmate in 2. If black moves the rook, you can then move the queen to g5 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.